Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وَالَّذِينَ كَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا صُمٌّ وَبُكْمٌ فِي الظُّلُمَاتِ مَن يَشَاءِ اللَّهُ يُضْلِلْهُ وَمَن يَشَاء يَجْعَلْهُ عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ. Translation: Those who deny our verses are deaf and dumb in utter darkness. Allah leaves them to go astray, and He guides them to the right way whom He pleases. This is a very important topic to understand, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given human a capability of identifying the truth. And when the truth is presented to the human being, his heart testifies that yes, this is truth. But if he neglects it or hides it for any worldly reason, the next time the truth comes in, it comes with less intensity. And if he denies again and again and again and again, then their point comes when he is unable to identify the truth and his heart is sealed, as we have studied in Surah Al-Baqarah, and this topic is repeated elsewhere as well. Also very important to understand that this sealing of the heart, or someone becoming deaf or dumb, is not happening because Allah wants it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything, and everything happens with the izn, with the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not force anyone to become a kafir, and He does not force anyone to become a mu'min. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created this world in which He has given the right and wrong paths to the human being, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has allowed them to choose a path for them. If they choose the wrong path and they continue going and running on the wrong path, they lose the ability of identifying the truth, and they have ears, but when the truth comes after their hearts are sealed, they are like deaf. They are not physically deaf, they will listen it, but they will not understand it. Similarly, they will have their tongues, they are able to talk, but they will lose the ability to testify the truth, and they will lose the ability to call other people towards the truth. And this is becoming deaf and dumb, and this is the sealing of the heart, and these people are in complete darkness. They cannot get out of the darknesses, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allows those people to come in the light, to come in the nur, who testifies the truth, who say the truth is truth, and who preach the truth, and who use his body and his heart towards the truth. These people are guided by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala towards the straight path. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among those who are steadfast on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.